omelet and potatoes, capsicum a short while ago. After returning from bicycle ride, I decided to prepare dinner for myself. I want to inform you that there are several to do and explainer videos about products which I have used in the past, but all of those which are related to house renovation have some contact details of the persons involved in those services. I am not authenticating those as liable and viable or good service centers skilled and talented, because most of the time my own products are not properly repaired or installed. For example, this air conditioner or the plumbing activity, and most importantly the carpenters who installed spurious quality hinges. Some of them had no other alternative because there are several similar name brands existing in the market like Hightech, Heitech, Ebco, Abaco. So even if you are there in my place, you have to compromise sometimes when you don't have enough time. I prepared this video of air conditioner also. Even it was a short 1 minute 22 seconds, but I was already aware that the gas will leak in few days because of the overconfident nature. I tried to check the compressor or cooling twice in front of everyone. Now I will switch on again. So let's check it for the last time in front of the video recording. If it is really working, then the compressor will start providing cooling. So it took about 1 month for plumbing activity and whitewash along with some carpenter job. There was a lot of hassle in selling old furniture because each and every one want to circulate their investment too rapidly. Sometimes it becomes difficult to remain in the terms, especially by poor buyers. So I have to explain them that even I don't have any alternative. So you should not provide any excuse. If you have made any blunder in providing exaggerated prices, you have to bear some loss. And at the most, I can share half of that revenue. How can I keep on wasting my own time and energy, irrespective of the business loops, holes of others? Alcohol is really bad for the society, especially during business transactions, because the seller get a wrong impression about the buyer, especially if the auction agent or buyer don't remain in the terms, then the seller assumed that it might be possible that the person was inhibited during the original decision of value. It will take about 2 to 3.5 minutes for the compressor to start. The installer was trying to distract the mode phenomena of this unit, which is operated by an existing remote. These people are really non-cooperative and greedy in nature. I have proved this several times, but to keep that reminded in my memory, especially when I was forced to migrate to a smaller city with lesser resources, I don't have any option also. Even after waiting for 10 minutes, the compressor has not started yet. I have changed the mode to enhanced cooling. Let's wait for another 5 minutes. Then I will change the mode to fan. Again I am changing the mode. Now it is a fan mode and high cooling mode. That is a proper humidity control mode with 18 degrees set. Even if the compressor will not start or it will start, that doesn't matter a lot. Ultimately we have to get cooling from this AC. I can't hear the sound of the compressor. Even the external fan has been switched off. The running of the external fan has nothing to do with the compressor. It acts as a standalone feature. Even if the compressor is running on the fan mode, then also the external fan keep on running. So according to my conclusion, the gas was not properly filled because the installer was already aware that the capacitor has become weaker. So then it will start losing the capacity to start properly. By the time the gas will also be leaked and the user will not able to distinguish it or complain the matter back to us. This air conditioner is working efficiently because it was installed by company executive from Hitachi and Samsung. Even this one is working efficiently, but the Samsung split AC was removed from here and installed in the drawing room. A lot of space has been made inside the temple also after selling those almiras.